I thought I would show you for the opioid lesson how to play this and use it in the classroom if you think you may not have internet access, or maybe you just want to put it on your laptop or USB drive so you do not have to worry about it. So go to the portion of the website that you see here. On it, you can of course run it online. It's embedded right here and it's running off our DARE server. But this is where you can download it and put it on, again, I recommend a USB drive or your laptop. Click on download, step one. I'm on a Mac, so it downloads to my download folder. It automatically uncompresses. On some PCs, it will not uncompress, you have to double click it, but on mine it does. And I'll just drag it out here. And so I don't have to do step two on a Mac because it already did it for me. And now open a web browser to any page. You see here I opened one to google.com. It could be absolutely anything. Just make sure you can see it. And now click on that folder that you've either uncompressed or uncompressed on its own, and you'll see the content of it. And you click on this file that I have listed here, story_html5.html, and you simply click on it with your mouse, drag it over this open window, let go, and it'll open right up, and you can play. And that's it.